welcome to this video of R programming for statistics. Over here we will learn how to do solve statistical problems using R programming. So अगर आपको देख सकते हैं कि अगर आपको प्रोग्रामिंग पता भी नहीं है फिर भी I will help you how to understand it to solve statistics. Okay, आपको पहले से कोई नॉलेज की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's for everyone. So and for any further doubts you can always contact Dr. Sourav Sir's classes for classes, mock test, doubt clearing guidance, and number is 9836793076. So let's get started. Over here you have a sample data of categories and values that we can run, and then we can create bar plots and using this program of bar plots with values and names, which is categories, and we can give the color, and we can also add them like we can add a title, we can add X label, Y label, and we can run it. This is our bar plot. Same way we can do for pie chart. We can create a pie chart and we have to just fix something like we can have to use obviously pie, and then the values and the labels, obviously the categories, then the main title and the color. So we are doing color like rainbow color. So let's see what rainbow color actually means. As you can see that instead of taking one color which was the constant color in the previously, it has taken multiple colors. So you can give, so whichever the bigger value length of the values, which was 30%, that has taken the purple, which is the first color in the violet, which is the first color in the rainbow. Same way we can do it. Now we can also do a scatter plot. Let's see. X and Y, select and run. And over here obviously it's a very simple scatter plot we have got here, which is linear, but we can see that this is how we can do a scatter plot as well. We have plot x comma y. This simple thing can give us the scatter plot x comma y itself, but then if we want to add more, we can add title, which is the main scatter plot. We have can add the y-axis, x-axis, and we can also add color and pch, which is the density of this points. Next we can do histogram, which is using the sample data as vectors and then do hist. Same way histogram takes data, then it takes breaks, then it has the main, and then it has a histogram, and then we can do x lab, y lab. Y lab is the frequency, x lab is the values, and then we will get the histogram. So in this way simply we can create different charts. Isn't that interesting? Well, hope you like this video, and now we can later we come back for more videos, more statistics related content. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you